In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to add calendar to Control Center iPhone. So let's get started. Now for this, you have to go to shortcuts first of all. It's a pre-installed app on your iPhone. Go ahead and open that up. From here, you're gonna click on the plus sign on the top right. Then go ahead and search for the action Open App. Click on that. Then go ahead and click on app and then search up calendar. Go ahead and choose it, and then you can also rename the entire thing by clicking on the arrow and rename to calendar. All right, perfect. Then what you have to do is you have to go to your control center, click on the plus sign on the top left, click on add a control, then search up shortcuts, and then you have to choose a shortcut, and here choose the calendar shortcut. Just wait for it. And then there you go. As you can see, the calendar shortcut has appeared up. I can do it like that, or I can also make it extended, and then just click anywhere else to get rid of this menu. And now let's say I'm gonna close it, and now if I go up and click on calendar, it's gonna open the calendar app for me. Now that is one way, and that's basically maybe the way you were looking for. However, another way is to basically get your calendar on your home screen but not at your control center. To do this, all you have to do is hold down your home screen, click on edit, click on add widget, then search up calendar, and then you have many options here. Just go ahead and choose whatever you like. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.